Hi everyone, welcome to Blue Heron Hill. I'm Sue. We're in the kitchen today and it's a little bit of a different video. I'm starting off here in the kitchen, then we're going to go outside and we're going to see the chickens. So what precipitated this video is I have a glut of sourdough discard. Oftentimes I use it in my baking, but haven't been doing that much lately. And this stuff is gold. I mean, you can use it in any of your recipes. There's tons of recipes online about how to go about incorporating this in your baking. But what I do use my sourdough discard for, when I get an overabundance, is I make a sourdough pancake for my chickens. This time of year, we're coming into the fall, and my coop out there has a glut of feathers. Now, the chickens are molting this time of year. They are losing their old feathers, and they are growing in new feathers. So I want to make sure I can boost their nutrient levels, their protein intake, so it will help grow new, very strong feathers and also add to their nutritional deficiencies at this time of year, because I find that their feed doesn't give them all that they need or could use. So let me show you how I make a sourdough discard pancake for my chickens. Okay, I do it here on the stove. I heat up my cast iron pan, and you can use any kind of, any kind of fat that you want. It's important to have a well-seasoned cast iron pan. Now, since I want to boost the levels of nutrition for my girls out there and my boy, I don't want to forget Willie, I use lard. It's an animal fat. It's from pigs. It's from our pigs. I render down the fat. I'm going to use a good amount because the chickens certainly can use fat in their diet. Winter is coming on, and more calories are needed for them. So I'm going to let this melt off onto my pan, and I'll be back. Once I put that sourdough discard down, I put some raisins down, I put a scoop of oatmeal, I put some wheat germ on it, sometimes I'll put pepitas on it. Raisins are good. They have some protein in it. They have some calcium. They have some good, little sweetness to it. Oatmeal is always really good, and wheat germ. So, flipping this over, toasting it well on the other side so the sourdough is cooked all the way through. And then we'll take it out of the pan, cool it down, cut it up, and take it out to the chickens. Yum, yum. Doesn't that look good? These chickens are going to absolutely love it. I'll take a pizza cutter. I could just take the whole thing out there and give it to them. But I kind of spoil them. I want to make sure everybody gets a bite. There is a pecking order with chickens. And of course, as you will see when we take it out to them, those on the higher order will get the first dibs. And there will always be those that have to hang back and wait their turn before they can get a little bit of this treat. So I had enough sourdough starter to make actually 2 of them. So I have plenty to give them. Maybe save part of that for later. Maybe tomorrow. How do they know that I have a treat for them? Waiting patiently. Eating frenzy. Willie. I think everybody got a bit of the pancake. There's a lot of pieces still scattered on the ground. There we go. There you go, chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. This is Tori. One of my faves. Tori's a speckled Sussex, and she is losing her feathers. Okay. Sure. She's unsure of being, she's a little camera shy. Hi. Hello. I got one for you. Sourdough pancakes for your chickens. I know everybody doesn't have chickens out there, but share the love that I have with my chickens. There's a little squabbling going on out here. A little dominance, a little hierarchy going on. Way over there you can see a lot of the new ones. Well Summers and Ice the Reds. And I think they did get some. They're looking for the scraps now. They don't get first dibs on a lot of this. So, and there my dog is looking for some also. Thanks for following me on this little chicken video, and there'll be more coming up. We're getting ready for fall. These chickens need as much added support and nutrition as I can possibly give them, because this whole run area is just covered with feathers. If I took you inside in the coop area where they sleep at night, it looks like a snowstorm. So, but this is totally natural, and I take a lot of measures to get them ready for the cold winter months that are coming up. Some of them have started to molt, some have not started to molt. Some will molt maybe in December, but the egg production has gone down quite a bit, and I'm not getting any more. I'm not getting as many of those wonderful brown orbs that I usually get. So thanks for following along with me, and until the next time that we can go digging in the dirt, cooking in the kitchen, or even clucking with the chickens. Bye now.